Hello guys, so this is the free digital marketing course. Don't forget to watch till the end because the password to this file is going to be on this video. So if you skip or you forward the video, you are not going to see the password. So I'm not going to write the password in the comment section. It's going to be on the screen. At one point in time, I'm going to display it on the screen of this video. So it's left for you to watch the video to the end. Don't skip. So now, this is the digital marketing course actually giving out for free to appreciate my followers, my fans, for your support over the years. So all you need to do is to watch this video to the end. You get the password. I'm going to drop a link to the video below so that you can actually get access to the link. Then you have to download the files so you can get access to these videos. They're all bulky. I actually bought this course in dollar, so I think close to a year now. So you have introduction to digital marketing. All the content you need are there, both the write-up, the pictures, the link to resources, the videos. They're all here. PDFs, they're all there. So you have introduction. They teach you marketing research, how to set up a website for marketing, email marketing, copywriting, SEO, Facebook marketing, Twitter, Quora, Google AdSense, even how to market an app. Yes, how to use app marketing, Facebook ads, LinkedIn marketing, Pinterest, Instagram, Google Analytics. Then the course actually, the updated is also have old content, and there's a conclusion, the career path you need to take on how to go about it. So it's actually a very, very, very rich course. Like, if you want to buy this course now, I think it's around $45 to get this, $40 to $45 as of now. So it's actually very, very, very rich course. I'm actually giving this out so you can see it's a very, very rich course. All you need to do, follow the instructions, go to the link you are going to see to take you to where you are going to download the files. So, and the password for you to download the files, unlock the files, is on this video. Watch till the end. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. For a while now, I've not been posting videos. I've been on pause, but currently I'm back online. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me for more interesting stuff as this. I remain your same guy, Davehenzy. Welcome to Davehenzy Tech. Bye.